Welcome to this guided cacao ritual for you to set a daily intention and to move through a beautiful chakra clearing and rebalancing. This is a practice that you can do every morning or any time of day that you want to drop into your body, clear your energetic channels, and get grounded with an intention. I'm Savannah Joy, the founder of Embrace Your Wild. I'm a voice channel, ceremonialist, and retreat facilitator. And I'm so excited to share space with you. With your cup of cacao in your favorite mug, I invite you to sit down, get comfortable, and just begin to drop in with your own presence, beginning to notice your breath going in and out of your nostrils. Beginning to notice where the breath is today, if it's shallow or deep, quick or slow, and just noticing. And beginning to open up your senses to connect with the energy, the spirit of Mama Cacao, this beautiful plant medicine in your cup today. And tuning in and allowing her to assist you in opening up your senses, all 5 senses. Our senses are the portal to the present moment. Allows us to drop out of stories, thoughts, fears, wounds, and really gets us present with what's here right now, with the information coming in through our senses. So inviting you first to tune into the warmth in your cup, the sensations of that warmth in your hands, and just feeling those sensations. Now bringing your cup to your nose, smelling in the aroma of this beautiful, delicious cacao. Bringing the cacao up to your ear and see if you can hear any bubbles popping. And taking a look and noticing the color, the sheen, the texture of this beautiful drink. And bringing the cacao to your heart. Beginning to drop into your heart space. Mama Cacao assists us in opening our hearts, coming back to the frequency of love, gratitude. And just beginning to soften the heart. Softening tension in the body, but really focusing on opening the heart. Continuing to breathe. Being really grounded and present in this moment. And beginning to set a personal intention for your day. How do you want to feel today? What could you use support around? What do you want to shift? Or what wisdom can Mama Cacao help you access? Trusting whatever comes up and breathing that intention into your cup of cacao. Trusting that by setting this intention and feeling the energy, the frequency of your intention, that it is done. Now moving on to our chakra clearing and rebalancing, I'm going to invite you to bring your cup of cacao down to your root chakra, down at the base of the spine, in the front of the body, Connecting to this energy center, visualizing a vibrant red, swirling energy center at the base of the spine, at the root. Tuning into this sense of grounding and safety. Thank you, Mama Cacao, for reconnecting us to our sense of safety within our bodies and within our lives. Thank you for helping us to remember that we're always taken care of, that we're always supported, and we always have everything that we need. Bringing the cup of cacao up to the sacral chakra now, just below the belly button. Imagining a vibrant orange swirling energy center here. Tuning into this area of the body. Thank you, Mama Cacao, for reconnecting us to our sensuality, our creativity, our passion for life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bringing cacao now up to your solar plexus, just below the breast. Imagining a vibrant yellow swirling energy center here, as bright as the sun. Thank you, Mama Cacao, for reconnecting us to our sense of self, our willpower, our self-confidence, our drive to create and take action in the world. Thank you. Now bringing Mama Cacao up to the heart space. Connecting with this beautiful green energy center, swirling. Thank you, Mama Cacao, for opening our hearts, for reconnecting us to the frequency of unconditional love, compassion, and nurturing. Holding ourselves with compassion and holding others with compassion. This beautiful energy of non-judgment. And a sense of mothering. Now bringing Mama Cacao up to the throat chakra, tuning into this beautiful, vibrant blue energy center at the throat. Thank you, Mama Cacao, for reconnecting us to our self-expression, helping us to speak our truth, feeling safe to be heard, to voice our desires and our needs, to not only speak with compassion, but to also listen with compassion. Now bringing Mama Cacao up to the third eye, just between the brows. Connecting with this indigo center, swirling vibrantly. Thank you, Mama Cacao, for reconnecting us to our intuition, this place of our deep knowing, and helping us to trust that knowing without needing to have logic or reasoning, but just trusting that intuition, that deep wisdom inside of us. And finally bringing cacao up to the crown of the head, tuning into this beautiful purple energy center. Thank you, Mama Cacao, for connecting us to spirit, to source, helping us to remember that we are all connected, we are all one. We are loved and we are guided. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Taking one final deep breath here. And just a nice cleansing exhale to release any stagnant energy, allowing all of your chakras to feel balanced and aligned as best that we can in this moment. And now beginning to take our first sip of cacao together and really noticing the taste, the flavor, the texture in your mouth, the warmth as it goes down, and really just enjoying the pleasure of this simple moment. Continuing to take your time and savor these few moments of drinking cacao, and allowing your heart to continue to open to love and gratitude. If you feel called, this is a beautiful time to drop in with maybe 1 or 2 or 3 things that you're really grateful for. Allowing that gratitude to really penetrate your being and really crack you open to receiving more of what you desire into your life. Allowing this present moment to be an access point, a place of magnetism for you to draw in everything that you've been manifesting, everything that you've been creating and working towards, and opening yourself up to receive it all. Taking your time to enjoy these moments, taking as much time as you need. Thank you for sharing this space with me and allowing me to guide you. You are loved. You are more than enough. And I'm sending you all of my love and peace.